Hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Christy, and it is time to cook. And boy oh boy do I have a good one for you today. I'm so excited. I am making a pumpkin crunch cake. Well, it's a pumpkin crunch dump cake, meaning you just dump everything together, bake it, and then you have this fabulous pumpkin dessert. If you love pumpkin, you are going to love this. It is super easy to make. It is perfect for the upcoming holidays of Thanksgiving and Christmas. Your family and friends are going to love it. So let me go over the ingredients that you will need to make this fantastic pumpkin crunch dump cake. So you will need two 15-ounce cans of pumpkin puree, and this is just the pure straight up pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. Then you're going to need 16 ounces of evaporated milk. I'm going to measure that out because these are 12-ounce cans. You will need 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I actually have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Then you're going to need 1.5 sticks of butter, 1 yellow cake mix, and then 1 cup of chopped pecans. So I'm going to add the pumpkin to a mixing bowl. And I'm just going to measure out 16 ounces of this evaporated milk, which really is just 2 cups. Then I'm going to add my 1 cup of sugar, my cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice, and I'm going to add my 4 eggs. All right, I'm taking my spoon out of here and I'm going to switch to a whisk and whisk this together. And I probably could have gotten a little bit bigger of a bowl. Yeah, that's okay. Just going to go slow and steady. All right, so once you get it completely mixed together, then I have here a 9x13 baking dish, and I am going to go ahead and spray this with some nonstick spray. And then I'm just going to pour this pumpkin mix into the bottom of my baking dish. All right, I kind of like to just shake it a little bit, make sure it's nice and even on the bottom. And next I'm going to take my cake mix and I'm just going to sprinkle all over top of this pumpkin mixture. Stay there. All right, so I'm just going to start sprinkling this cake mix over top of my pumpkin mixture. Very carefully and evenly. All right, I'm just going to take my fingers and kind of spread it out a little. Very carefully. All right, then I'm going to sprinkle the pecans all over top. This is what gives it its crunch. All right, so the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this butter and I'm just going to make slices and place all on top of this cake here. So I'm just making thin slices and I'm just going to lay those slices all on top of the cake. Okay, so that is all there is to it. Now I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. Oh my goodness, do you guys see this? This pumpkin crunch dump cake is so delicious. And of course, you know what I'm getting ready to do. I've got to cut into this. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. Oh, you're going to want to make this, just saying. All right, so this is still a little bit warm, so it didn't come out like beautiful and pretty, but does that really matter? Because it tastes amazing, right? If you let it get completely cold, it will come out, it'll hold together better. But I couldn't wait. Oh my goodness. This is so good. It's like you have a pumpkin pie on the bottom and then you have like this buttery crumble on top with the crunchy pecans. It is so good. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more recipes.